Success in life happens when opportunity meets preparation. Many experts think we are on the verge of another cryptocurrency bull market. So, get prepared via these 10 easy lessons. Let's get started. Understanding of cryptocurrency basics. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to have a basic understanding of what it is, how it works, and its potential risks and benefits. Research the different cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, and it's important to research and understand the different options before investing. Consider factors such as market capitalization, technology, and adoption rate. Choose a reputable exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and store your digital assets. When choosing an exchange, look for a reputable platform with a proven track record of security and reliability. Secure your hardware wallet. A wallet is where you store your cryptocurrency. It's important to choose a secure wallet and take steps to keep your assets safe, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key when investing in cryptocurrency. Consider spreading your investment across multiple assets to reduce the impact of potential opportunities and risks. Manage your risk tolerance. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. It's important to understand your own risk tolerance and only invest an amount that you're comfortable losing. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. The cryptocurrency market is known for its high volatility, which can lead to FOMO-driven decision-making. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions, and stick to your investment strategy. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investment is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and there are no guarantees of returns. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Seek professional advice. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or professional to help you make informed investment decisions. They can help you understand the risks and benefits of investing in cryptocurrency and develop a long-term investment strategy. Gather with friends, family, and associates who are also interested in cryptocurrency and Web3. Share your research with each other. Collaboration is a winning strategy.